already opened our image, the eye image, so we just drag the other image we're going to be using, then we try to rescale them, adjust them and align them in the right position. So I reduce the opacity so I can see what I am doing, just so I won't make mistakes aligning and positioning the image. So we'll go get the second image we'll be using. Because I figured if I'm gonna be creating an extraterrestrial personality, what better image to use than something extraterrestrial. So we'll drag it down and create a clip mask of it. Okay, yeah, we reduce our flow to 5% and our brush we set it to 73. Increase our brush size a bit so we can just paint over our clip mask. Just be careful because we're going to be using this exact picture for the lower part of the eye, so I'm just going to paint the lower part of the eye. And this second picture, after we've made our clip mask out, then clip mask, we paint. Till we get the texture we're looking for. Now it looks like a very wet skin, weird skin. So, but this is the effect we're looking for, so we just keep painting. So we're going to try to maintain a balance, just so it does not overshadow the skin. I want a nice blend of the skin and the picture. So whenever I make a mistake, I just either I press Ctrl Z or I just change my white color to black, then erase the mistake. Just be careful to paint inside the eyes and not get your painting over the lines. Use the eyeball, the ring, as a guide. An alternative way to do this is just make a quick selection of the eyeball and just paint within the selection. If you are careful enough, you can just keep doing it the way I am doing it. Now it's not looking like we're giving it blood vessels, as you can see, and it's just a simple just the picture giving it this effect. Basically, you can use whatever picture you want to give it your desired effect. I mean, you can use wall pictures, you can use scale pictures, even for since the aim is to get something extraterrestrial, so I just decided to use something outside Earth. So yeah, as I said, we change the color to black. Now we want to see the folds very evident, so that black, the dark colorations there, wants it to be very evident. So we just paint over the areas, especially the fold areas. so it looks realistic and not just covers the whole skin. So always remember, to just tweak your brush size. I'm using 21 now, so it depends on where you are painting and how sharp you want it to be. Just always remember to tweak it, to always adjust your brushes. So change it back to white to paint over the skin. If you notice, we left our skin unpainted for the lower part of the eye, and that's because the image or the picture we are using has a very bright light at that area. So if we keep painting, it's just going to overshadow the skin, and that was why we used the extra picture to give it the dark that other picture could not provide. So we make a solid color, made it yellow, to just change the white, change the color of the feel a bit, make the white seem yellowish, and also we are planning on giving the eyelids a golden color later, so we'll paint over the eyelids till when we're done with the skin and the white parts of the skin. So now we're painting the area I want the gold to be more, so I'm spending more time painting this area. As you can see, the gold is coming out. And the reason is I just feel something outside Earth should have a golden colored blood for some reason. So I chose gold. Just keep painting over the white areas of the eye, Although not perfectly, just slightly. So next we go for red color, and this is just going to be for the eyeball. It's for the eyes, basically. Just want to give it a little touch of red. Create a clash of colors in the eyes. And we set our layer to heal, just so it isn't too much. So if you can see, there's a red lines. Yeah, there's red lines on the image show like a mistake, so I'm gonna clean them. I'm just gonna clean them off, as you can see. So we select the images, the layers, and convert it to smart object. Then we go to our camera raw filter, just so we enhance our editing. Then we reduce the exposure and just play around with the sliders. This is where I try to make the whole shading come to life and make it more cinematic. Just be careful while using your camera raw filter. It's easy to get carried away. So just have an aim, have a reason why you are using it, and that should help guide you. So we're done with the filter. And we'll see how it looks now. It looks at least better than it was then. So next thing we want to do is our text. And I'll go for a Gaudi old style regular. I'm going to be typing celestial using the golden color, yellow. So double clicking on layer, we just add some special effects to the text. Yeah, and that's all actually. It's simple, there's nothing really difficult about the image. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also you can also check our videos, other videos. Thank you very much. Really grateful.